Okay, so I was talking about the chattering on the Serpentine belt. What it was the pulley was making a noise. This little bar here was vibrating like mad on the old one. So off the donor Golf I've got, I took the tension off that. Easy to replace. You need to move this diesel filter out the way. There's 3 10mm screws. There's one there, one down the bottom. I don't know if you can see it well on the camera. Just down there. There's another one just down the side there. So move them, lift the filter out the way, so it gives you better access. And then this tensioner, you get a spanner on it, 17mm spanner. Pull that right down as far as you can, and there's a little lug. You can see it. There's a little hole just in the side. You slide a little thin Allen key in and slide it into that bit there, so it locks that into place, which takes the tension off the belt. Something like that. Just like that. So I've got that going through, and that takes the tension off. So just slip the belt off the top pulley there, and then there's a 13mm one there, and there's one just underneath. You can see it down there. There's another 13mm just at the bottom. Undo them two, and the pulley pulls out. Put the new one in, and sort of do it all in reverse. Make sure you've got the tension taken off the new pulley with a pin or a little Allen key or something. Tighten it up. Slip the belt back over. Make sure the little grooves in the belt are lined up with the grooves on all the pulleys. Release the tension, and then put the filter back on, and that's done. So yeah, this used to sound like an absolute tank. I'll show you what it sounds like now. Sounds like it's good. So yeah, decent little job.